Assalamu alaikum, dear student, class 10, you are welcome. How are you? Because we are passing a serious disease, we are passing a nervousness time, that means COVID-19. COVID-19 is a harmful disease and we can tell it a killer, so take care and the maintain rules of health. However, today our class is English first part, lesson 1 unit 5, lesson 1 unit 5. তোমরা একটু লক্ষ্য করো, বই খুলে দেখো, তোমাদের লেসন হবে আজকে লেসন 1 ইউনিট 5। তারিখটা হতো তোমার দেবনি। ইউনিট 5 এখানে তোমাদের সিন মডেল, দ্যাট মিন সিন মডেল, ইউ উইল ডু দ্য সিন মডেল, টপিক সিন মডেল মেহেরজান, অ্যাবাউট মেহেরজান। We know that Meherjan is an unlucky person. The finishing of the model, Meherjan became unlucky woman because sometimes she had everything. Sometimes, but once upon a time, she had everything. That means as well as son, daughter, land, husband, such these things, but in the last time she lost all of the everything because the great Yamuna river has shattered her dreams and happiness, so she was an unlucky person. Now we can say, according to the model Meherjan, first we can know the keyword. We can know the keyword, and the keywords are keywords. Then we will know it meaning. We will know it meaning. First, you know the keyword embankment. Keywords. First, we know keywords as well as embankment, embankment. You will get it. You will get it in this model. You will get it in this model, embankment. Embankment means বাঁধ, বয়চন্দ্র বিন্দু আকার ধ, বাঁধ। Then slum. SLUM. Then slum. Slum means, perhaps many of the students will know it, I think. Slum means bosti. We can see the slum in the various cities. That means capital city in Dhaka, you will see it. Slum. Slum means bosti. Then Trimble. TRIMBLE. Trimble means ভয়ানক. Trimble means ভয়ে কেঁপে ওঠা. Trimble means ভয়ে কেঁপে ওঠা. Okay, we can know there are many kinds of keywords. Though we show the 3 words, you will know there are many words in your book, guide. If you search the word, you know many word meaning. Then we learn the correct information, true and false. That means true and false. And I know, and all of the students, you are also know that true and false. If true and false information now, second question, and if the false, you will do the correct information. You will do the correct information. I think you know the keyword. Remember the keyword. Now you will do we will learn the correct information, true and false. And if false, we will do the correct information. True and false. Now we will write down true and false. And if false, we will do the correct information. Do the correct information. Correct information. You will know it. What is the correct information first? Meherjan had everything. Meherjan had everything once upon a time. Once upon a time. I think you are well known about this model and you can do better. You can do better. Though you can do better, but you are well known. What is the information of this sentence? Though I want to learn you whether it's true and false. I think this is true information. This is true information. This is true information. So there is no need to correct. So there is no need to correct this information. And the second one. Meherjan was 54 years old. See the board, dear student. Meherjan was 44 years old. Dear student, here my information. Meherjan was 54 years old. We know about this model. Meherjan was 54 years old. No, of course, it is not right information. This is false information. And we will correct now. Correct answer. This is false. This is false information and we should do correct it. আমাদের এটা কারেক্ট করা উচিত। CORR is correct information. Meherjan was 45 years old. You know that Meherjan was 45 years old. Meherjan was 45 years old. 45 years old. And the third one, see my dear students, the third one, Meherjan lived in a 3-storied building. We can delete the first because our space is short. So we can delete the first one because we have learned this information. No need this information now. You will learn the third one. Meherjan lived in a 3-storied building. Meherjan lived in a lived in a 3-storied building. 3-storied building. At last, Meherjan lives in a 3-storied building. At last. That means we know that from the model Meherjan lived in a slum, but here the information shows us that তিনি 3 তলায় বসবাস করেছেন. That is wrong information. And we will write down now the correct information. False. This is false information. Now correct information. Meherjan lives in a slum. Meherjan lives in a slum of the embankment in Jamuna River. Beside the Jamuna River. Embankment similar beside the Jamuna River. Embankment of the Jamuna River. Grady Jamuna River. That means the last one, true and false. We know that the false information. Meherjan lives in a 3-storied building. Originally Meherjan 3-storied building এ অবশেষে বসবাস করতে পারে নাই. গ্রেডি রিভার তার সবকিছু কেড়ে নিয়েছে. Grady Jamuna has shuttered up all her life, and the erosion of Jamuna has taken all of the things, her property, her husband, her daughter, son, etc. So she did not live in a 3-storied building. At last she was an unlucky person. So Meherjan lives in a slum of embankment in the Jamuna River. সুতরাং তাকে যমুনা নদীর তীরে একটা বস্তি বানিয়ে, পাখির খাঁচার মতো একটা বস্তি বানিয়ে তাকে বসবাস করতে হয়েছে. Now this time we will know some short question. We will learn this time some short question. So follow me on the board. Now we will learn some short question. Now short question. Answer to the short question. We shall learn some answer of some questions. some questions. The first one, we can make question from the scene model that what kind of women Meherjan was, অথবা who was Meherjan, who was Meherjan, who was Meherjan. I think, my dear students, of course, you will know, you will read the, you have read the model, scene model Meherjan, because this unit is, this lesson is so much important for your public exam, because in future you will be examining of public section, public side. So you know the scene model about Meherjan. Who was Meherjan? Answer. You know who is Meherjan? I also know. So we can write down the answer that Meherjan was a woman, and she was an unlucky person. She was an unlucky person. She was an unlucky person. We can write down more about the answer. There is no need to for only one number. This answer is enough. I think this answer is enough to you. There is no need to more about things from this question. Then the second one, Meherjan was. Then the second question, why Meherjan was homeless. Now you will learn the second question. You will learn the second question, that why Meherjan was homeless. Meherjan কেন গৃহহারা হয় অথবা হেল্পলেস? Why Meherjan was homeless. We know, according to the scene model, we know why Meherjan was homeless, because the grade is Jamuna. Now write down the answer, or you can see the answer. Meherjan was homeless because the Grady River Jamuna, the Grady Lobi Jamuna has Grady Jamuna had taken all her property, all her wealth, as well as land, daughter, daughter, son, bamboo bush, etc. And husband, etc. Meherjan, in this way Meherjan was homeless. We know about the question of the answer. However, we can write down that there are many kinds of keyword, many kinds of correct and true information, and many kinds of question of the answer from this model. Various kinds of. Okay, dear students, tomorrow now your homework you will learn in your home about the gap filling. You will learn from this model gap filling, clue and without clue. I will help you the next class. Okay, dear students, I have some advices for you. Now it is time to COVID-19. This is harmful disease and we can call it a silent killer. So conscious and maintain the rules of health. Of course, maintain the rules of health with your family and attentively to your lesson because you are a SSC examining the next year. Don't waste your time. Okay, with best wishes to you. No more today. See you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. HW. Write down the HW, clue and without clue. Clue and without clue. বন্ধ করে দিল না, টুকটাক ভুলে গেছি, সরি। নয়ন তো জানি আজকে একটু ফোর্স বেশি গেছি, আস্তে আস্তে বলা লাগতো। তো স্যার শিখিয়ে দিয়ে দেবে না?